Meaning of malcontent.
Malcontent. Malcontent.
Noun. Definitions. 1. A person who is dissatisfied and discontented, often in a sullen or sulky manner. 2. A person who is disaffected or rebellious, often against an authority or government. Examples. 1. The malcontent in the corner of the room muttered to himself and refused to participate in the group discussion. 2. The revolutionary leader was a malcontent who rallied the people against the corrupt government. Note, the word malcontent can also be used as an adjective, but it is less common. Adjective. Definitions. 1. Showing discontent or dissatisfaction, often in a sullen or sulky manner. 2. Disaffected or rebellious, often against an authority or government. Examples. 1. The malcontent tone in his voice was unmistakable as he complained about the working conditions. 2. The malcontent faction within the party threatened to split the organization in two.
Malcontent. Malcontent.